friends. I sounded like Barney. I'm doing a taste test and I'm gonna try all these goods. Hello. Hey cuties! Hello from Mexico! Woo! Hey guys! I am doing a taste test. I just went to a local place here off the resort in Mexico. If you guys want to see Mexico vlogs, my vlog channel is linked down below. I'm gonna vlog every single day that I'm on this trip. If you want to know why I'm on the trip, what we did, different taste tests, Mexican McDonald's I did, different things, just like where we are, what we're doing, just go check out the vlogs down below. I know you guys love my travel vlogs and I'm trying to like bring my lights with me, making sure the camera's in focus. I'm not just filming just food. I'm trying to do better at what you guys want. Like I'm listening to you guys. Can you imagine that? My hair is gorgeous. It kind of sticks out right here, which is like an ick of mine, but whatever. Looks like this. The hair is Whitney Can Braid on Instagram. Beautiful, love. And then the blend of colors, she calls it Tequila Sunrise, which is so perfect for Mexico Tequila Sunrise. I just wanted my hair out of the way, just French braids with some color added for some brightness, pop of color, fun, and Tequila Sunrise. And I usually go like really long with my braids, like past my butt, but I just wanted something more manageable, like it's out of my face at the beach. I don't have to worry about it when I wake up. My hair is already done, and like traveling and stuff like that. It was so good. It was it's so good to just have my hair out of the way. But anyway, let's just get into this taste test. No more chitter chatter. Let's get at it. Boop boop boop. So we went to my friend Drugs Mart and Deli, Cancun. So we're in Cancun, by the way. But yeah, I got a whole bunch of like Mexican stuff that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So hit the thumbs up. Welcome to Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Try something new today. Go like this. As if you've never done that before. Everyone do it with me. Ready? Okay, the very first thing, I'm so excited for this. This is Pepsi Kick. I was like, what? So I'm just gonna show you guys here. It contains caffeine. So it's with okay, I'm really bad. I know some Spanish, but I don't like know everything, obviously. So I know that it says it's with caffeine and not recommended for babies or children. Pepsi Kick, everyone. It gives you a kick. Okay, ready? Oh my God, I feel like it's gonna explode all over my white outfit here. It just it smells like regular Pepsi. Horrific. Oh my God. It's like the sweetness is all gone out of it, but then it has like this like bittery, it doesn't taste like coffee. I know it doesn't say coffee, but like, I don't know why I was expecting like coffee. I'm so stupid. I really don't like that. It tastes like something like, and it's just like bitter, in a bitter Pepsi, and kind of more flat and way less sweet, but maybe it'll give me a kick. Okay, so right now we have runners. These were popular. I've been seeing these a lot lately. I've been in Mexico a day. I'm a local. Oh my God, they're cars, runners. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So they are chili limon. So excited about this. Okay, exceso calorías. What's that feel like? What's that feel like? What's that feel like? My fitness pal be like, I can't. Why is that so funny to me? Why don't these open? Oh my God. I'm literally just like a waste of skin. Like, that was like the rudest thing I've ever said about myself. If they're not in the shape of a car, I'm going to complain. Oh, they smell like Talkie. What? They look like frogs. Why do they look like a frog? It's the same color as my hair. Oh, we match. Looks like this. Mimi. Who does that? Oh, Roadrunner. Mimi, they're like, oh, I love the shape of that. Talkie vibes. They taste like a Talkie. The flavor is Talkie. I want to talkie to you on the phone. I bit the inside of my cheek and that spice is going right to it. But it doesn't have that tortilla flavor. Oh, these are hot actually. It's like more potatoey. Did I just do the one chip challenge? Hi. Like, kind of like a Cheeto consistency, but Talkie flavor. That was, I'm learning how to explain things at 32. Okay, the cutest thing I've ever seen. I needed these. Like, what? Look at this pack. I'm just gonna nibble on these the whole trip. Exceso calorías again. Dolces, okay. I don't know, but this is what it says, and I'm very, very excited for this. So, let's give it a go. So this was 135 pesos. The whole everything, and Austin got some snacks as well, was $30 US. So, like that. It was pretty good. Girl, I'm so excited. Oh my, I need to send this to my bestie because whenever we find like unique snacks, we always send them to each other. Let's attempt to open these now. I'm a failure. Oh my god. I got Austin to open them. Oh my god, look it. Oh, they smell so good. So this is what they look like. I'm not gonna try them all, but that sprinkle one is calling my name, so we need to try it. Actually, I wanna take a picture of it. Yum. Okay. Oh my god, it's like fudge. And the sprinkles are soft, they're not like hard and crunchy. Okay, it's really, really sweet. They're a perfect little size there. I wanna try this like sprinkly one. It has, not sprinkly one, sugary one. Hope I can capture this. Look at all the sugar crystals on there and like the attention to detail, the colors. Oh my god. Oh! I don't know if it's just the colors, but it tastes like Neapolitan, like ice cream. Best thing by far. The Pepsi, I'm gonna give like a 2 out of 10. Those runners, I give 6. These, they are really sweet, but if you're wanting that sweet kick but don't want a lot, these are perfect. I'm gonna try this pink one too. Guys, this one's like actually hard. Okay, I'm only getting a piece off of it, I guess. It's like the consistency of Play-Doh. Very slight variations in flavors, but they're very sugar. It kind of tastes like cookie dough. Very sugary, delicious. These are 10 out of 10. Yum. Wow. But honestly, like one would like satisfy your sweet tooth. You wouldn't be able to like eat a whole bunch of those. Okay, speaking of Takis, we got these guacamoles. Okay. Oh, guacamole. Is that guacamole? I don't know. There's like, it looks like guacamole. It looks like cilantro, jalapenos, and avocado. Yes, I'm so excited for these. I love different Takis. So pardon me if I'm pronouncing things wrong. I'm not here to offend, or that's not my intentions at all. I love trying new things. I love trying different countries' items and stuff like that, and a new experience. So it's just all new to me and something that, oh my, okay, these smell like, they literally smell like jalapeno guacamole. That's what they smell like. Okay, they look like this. Oh my god, yum. Lime right away. Cilantro right away. If you don't like cilantro, you would hate these. I love cilantro. Oh my god. Those are the best Takis flavor I've ever had. They're so fresh and vibrant. It literally tastes like I took like a tortilla chip and scooped up like a big fresh scoop of jalapeno guacamole. They're spicy too. Okay, girl. I'm gonna give those an 8.9 out of 10. Those are delicious. They're very fresh. Okay, then we got, perfect to try after that hotness. I got this Santa Clara strawberry. I think this is like a milkshake kind of. That's what I was getting out of it. But let's give it a go. It's full right to the top. Like there's no like air or anything in there. It's really cute. I just like was drawn to it. It tells you how to put a straw in. Ow! Oh my god, I almost ripped my nail off. Do not go all over my white outfit. Oh, that's the best strawberry milk I've ever had. It doesn't taste like fake or plastic. Oh yeah, no artificial flavors at all, it says in here. Oh my god, this is so good. Santa Clara. Oh, it's so creamy. Oh my goodness, it's like, oh, it's like a melted ice cream cone. It's really, really good. Next up in this little snack taste test are these Cheetos in Nacho Cheetos. Love the packaging. Ooh, they smell like just like regular Cheetos. This is what they look like. Oh wow, these are not spicy. Great crunch. Do not taste stale in any way. They do taste like nacho. Surprise! Surprise, surprise. Really good. I actually think I like those better than regular Cheetos and better than hot Cheetos. I have hot Cheetos hair right now, honestly. Okay, these next things are Burritas. I got these in pineapple. I don't know. For the longest time, whenever I would eat anything with pineapple in it, I would get like itchy. So I thought like I had like an allergy to it, or like it just would irritate my skin and my throat would kind of feel funny. I probably should have got that sorted out, but people would ask, are you allergic to anything? I'd be like, I get itchy when I eat pineapple. Like, you probably shouldn't eat pineapple, but it went away. But yeah, I'm so glad. So I don't really go for pineapple stuff a lot, but here we are. Looking at these, it looks like it's going to be the consistency of like a Fig Newton, just by looking at it. Oh my God. Oh, it smells like fresh pineapple. Whoa, it looks like a hot dog. It looks so cool. Look at the inside of it. It's like this jelly. Yum. Okay, I don't like it. It tastes like baby food, like pineapple baby food. That's what that tastes like. And then these are like Nilla wafers, dry-ish. It's very plain and I don't know, it has that like what you would like feed somebody in an old folks home or something like that. I don't know. I don't know, it just has that like grandma taste. I know you know what I'm trying to say. And like baby food, very baby food vibes. I do not like that. That's just not for me. Okay, next up is this little thing that I got at the front of the till. It's a Duvalen. Not really sure what's inside. Maybe strawberry or raspberry or something. And it says they're new and it's just this little tiny thing and it was like super cheap. It was like 40 pesos or something. Ooh, oh! It's giving bueno. I don't know if I get your half. Oh my god, delicious. Strawberry. It's like this strawberry milk with like Kinder Egg chocolate. Wow, this is such a good little snack. I'm like sweets out by those little sweet balls. Me. Delicious. Okay, Chipotles. These entice me. They're probably gonna be spicy, but it looks like cheese and some kind of pepper. Chipotle pepper. When I was growing up, my mom could never pronounce Chipotle and she would pronounce it Chipotle. Chipotle. One of my friends also, we were on a trip together and he pronounced it Chipotle too and I was like, maybe is it Chipotle? Because I feel like I am always correcting people being like, it's Chipotle. Chipotle. But now I'm questioning life. You know when you say a word so many times that it doesn't even sound like the word anymore? Ah. These are so saturated in spice. These look so spicy. Stop. These look like red hot. They smell delicious. They smell spicy. It tastes like, it is spicy. It tastes like flaming hot Doritos. Again with the hair match. What else so far? Did you hear the devil come out of me? All right, next up is this Clatier inspiration and it's Mexican chocolate. Love the packaging, got me right away. 130 pesos and I've noticed that it's open, so it's kind of sketching me out, but whatever. So this is the chocolate, Mexican chocolate. I don't know if it's like super chocolatey or if there's gonna be like a spice in there. I'm very intrigued. Oh, still opened it again. Huh. Oh, ooh, this is pretty. Look at the design. With little designs on it. It just smells like dark chocolate. I don't want to get this on the bed or on my freaking white. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, that's so smooth. I think this is the best thing that I've tried. It's like dark chocolate, but still has a bit of sweet in there. No spice. I wasn't sure if there was gonna be spice or not.
Yum.
Definitely, if I see that, I'm gonna buy another one to take home with me because that is delicious. It's so good. Okay, last but not least, we have some gum. Austin wanted this. I don't really chew like flavored gum. Or like, that's what I mean, it's like fruit gum. I like to chew more like peppermint and like spearmint and stuff like that. And I've never seen them before, so let's give them a go. It's like lime and strawberry. Sounds like a cute combination. Trident twist. Look at this, it's a little gum package. Oh, smells super bright. Can you see it? It's just the flavor. It literally feels like there's like jelly inside of it. Oh, yum. I can taste both flavors mushed up right away. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm so happy I did this taste test. Thank you guys so much for watching. Try something new this taste test Tuesday, or Tuesday I mean. Try something new today. I love you guys so much. Don't lose who you are and check out the vlogs for more Mexico content. Love you guys. Bye.